You a big back? Cause I'm a big back. You ever had this? Trust me, if you haven't, you're gonna want to.
Personally, I've never tried these before, but look at that.
That is a big piece of jerky.
Bro, my mouth is watering.
She can't even talk.
Guys, we're all spiced. It's pretty spicy, but it's pretty good as well. If you like to snack, this is the perfect snack to try. Literally, they're so good. It's beef jerky with like Taki dust. This is the go-to snack if you're a big back like us and like to snack throughout the night. If you're interested in trying these, it will be linked down below in the cart. Click there and grab you a bag. Big enough for any big back.